Hi guys, Alec, Peirce at the ranch. And here I am out in our beautiful backyard. Here I am, and I'm sitting here at this cement table. Now these cement tables, this is a big one. This is 48 inches across, very, very heavy, trust me. And these semicircular, this particular shape actually has a name, but I forget it right now. Benches. These were very, very common in the 50s and the 60s. They were also very common in Roman times. So we're talking between 75 BC and about 45 AD. Very common, and that's what that's how they're designed. The edges have that Greek motive on them. Anyway, this one is old, very old. It's badly worn. A lot of the cement is worn, and a lot of the engraving is worn. But it's a beautiful table. It's still solid as a devil, and really, really nice, and it suits us. We're old. We're not from the turn of the millennium, but we're kind of old. And our patio, it also suits the patio because there's a lot of cement in our patio. You see the stones and so on. Anyway, I found this in front of the old post office in my little town here, and it was tipped over, and all the seats were tipped, sunk into the ground. I had moss and stuff all over it, and I went to the postmistress and I offered to get it out of her way. What I said was, I won't charge you a thing to haul that mess out of there. And she agreed, so I took it. I brought it home here, and I started to clean it up. It had a couple layers of paint. Apparently, it had been painted dark green at one time. It had been painted tan colored at one time. I guess that's what people do. I'm not being critical. If you don't like how it looks, paint it. But eventually you got to stop painting and clean it up. So that's what I did. Now I have a little sandblaster, and I started working on it. My sandblaster is handheld, and it makes about a half-inch strip. I started to do that, and after about half an hour or so, I thought, this is not going to work. I'll be here for a month. So I hired a local sandblaster, a real sandblaster, big machine. I'm going to show you some pictures of it. And he cleaned this up beautifully for us. And then Diane and I sealed it with cement sealer, brought it down here to our back patio, and set it up, and we love it. Just a real nice cement, old cement table, round table, of the old classic Greek, Roman style, and we just love it. I've got some pictures here to show you what we did, what it looked like, and our big sandblaster, a short video of him doing his work. A picture of my beautiful wife, Diana, sitting at it. And I hope you enjoy it. Just a thought, if you see something like this, check it out. They're very expensive. You can still buy these. But you're looking like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. So I figured $200 for the sandblaster and a little bit of work on our part. Which is a really, really good deal. And we love it. Anyway, there you go. All the little toy we have with the ranch that we want to enjoy. Take a look at the pictures. Talk to you soon. Alec, Peirce at the ranch. See ya.